Buongiorno, back in the shop. Yesterday was a very long day. I'm alright. I don't feel it much, but yesterday, somehow I felt it was long. But today, back in the shop, there'll be some. I'll be making some pasta, of course. I've been prepping mainly for tomorrow. In the weekend, since tonight we got no classes, so we'll be a little bit more kind of prep focus, which is good. I love it. Okay, so we're starting to get ready for tomorrow class. It's a Sardinian cookie class, which is one of my favorite. It's got a lot of seafood, nice prawn dish entree, but as always, when you prep something in the kitchen, always think about starting with the thing that takes the longest. In particular, if there is anything that needs to be baked, whether it's cake or veggies, whichever. So the way while that one is cooking, you have time to organize the other ingredients. So we're gonna start with the dessert, with the cake, which is a traditional Sardinian cake that classic kind of a sort of ingredient: flour, eggs, butter, sugar. But to create the actual butter has Saba. So Saba is the cooked down grape must, I think, if I got it right, the word. And they cook it down, they create this kind of syrup, and that one will be used for create the butter. Throughout the cake we'll have some, I'm reading the recipe, I don't remember it exactly, has some almonds, walnuts and sultanas. Okay, so you're gonna start with egg, sugar. You wanna beat up until it's nice and light, nice and fluffy. And now that the eggs are nicely beaten up, nice and light, nice and fluffy, we are going to add our flour. And baking powder. Now that the dry ingredients are in, we're going to mix them up. Now that they are roughly mixed, we're going to start adding our Saba. So around 150 mils. I'm going to start with a little bit. Incorporate. You can do this one with the stand mixer, but I like to do it by hand. And a little more. Once you add the Saba, the butter should look like this. And from now we are going to add our walnuts, some sultanas, and some almonds. It's almost like a fruit cake, but the Saba gives a very interesting and particular flavor. Mix everything up, and the butter goes in a greased tartine. Now in the oven for around 30-40 minutes at 180 degrees. It is in the oven. Now it's time to prep for the sauces. So one of the sauces tomorrow is a kind of a Sardinian ragu. It's called ragu alla campidanese. It's a pork sausage ragu. So it has the sausages, classic celery, onion, carrots, a bit of tomato paste to give a bit of depth. But what I like the most is the spices, herbs that are gonna go in it. We have some basil, nice and fresh, rosemary, bay leaves, and if you can see it, a bit of saffron. So the saffron will give a beautiful tinge, yellow tinge to it, and also kind of a beautiful flavor. It's unusual to put in ragu, but give it a go, try it. Last one for the chef. Oh, so sweet, lollies, so good. Cleaned up some prawns there. We got this morning for the entree, and they were just absolutely amazing. Look at this, massive, very very nice. Jealous for tomorrow. The cake is also out of the oven. That are just simply based with a touch more vincotto on top, just to make it a little softer. And I think we're looking pretty good for tomorrow, and I can do some more admin now. So we're organizing some boxes here. We're gonna have some tools that people can purchase when they purchase the class as a sort of add-on, cutting out the paper, and we're gonna have different options with tools, like a tote bag, little tote bag, and aprons as well. And I'm organizing the content schedule for March. Today was a little quieter, but in the store, but with no classes tonight in particular, but it was good. So the way it gives me the chance to catch up on sort of things that we never get to it, pretty much. So it's always kind of postpone it. Days like this gives you a chance to tackle them.